Hello students, in this video we will discuss card problems. So let's start. So there are four types of card. One is spade. This is looking like this. Spade card. Then club card. Club card is looking like this. This is called spade. And this is called clubs. Then another type of card is heart. Hearts and then diamond. There are total 52 cards in a well shuffle pack. There are total 52 cards. So in these 52 cards, there are four types of card. One is spades, one is club, one is heart and diamond. Okay. And each type of card is number 13. 13 number. That means there are 13 spades, 13 clubs, 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. Okay. So these 13 cards is like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see there is this type of numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 9. So this 9 card is called a number card because there is given numbers. Numbers card. Then there is written J, Q and K. J is Jack, Q is Queen and K is King. So you can see that there is some faces is there. So this type of card is called face card. Face cards because faces is there. Now next is A. This is called S card or Ikka. Okay. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 number of cards. And this type of cards present each of club, spade, club, hearts and diamond. Okay. So diamond and heart in red color and club and spade is black color. So if I ask you how many total black color card, you can say that 13 plus 13, 26. If I ask you how many red color card, you can say that 13 plus 13, 26. 13 dart and heart, 13 diamond. So if I ask you how many face card is there, so each type of cards is in each type of card there have three face card. So we know that there are four type of card. So 3 4 are 12. So there are 12 face card. So how many ace card is there? Ace card is there 4. One is in spade, one is in club, one is in heart and one is in diamond. So total 4 ace card is there. Okay, now go to our problem. Question number 29. So there are given a card is drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting 2 of spades. So right here a card is drawn a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. So total number of outcome will be 52. So total number of outcome is equal to 52. So our first question is 2 of spade. So let E1 be the event for getting 2 of spade. So there are only 1 2 in spade card, because 2 is present in each of every type of card. There is 1 2 is spade, 1 2 is club, 1 2 is heart, and 1 2 is diamond. So here asking you 2 of spade. So there are only 1 2 in spade card. So right here there are only only 1 2 in spades card. So number of favorable outcome is 1. Number of outcome is equal to 1. So probability of E1 is equal to number of favorable outcome by number of total outcome. Number of favorable outcome by number of total outcome. So it will be 1 by 52 happen. Okay, therefore the required probability is 1 by 52. Now go to next problem. Next is question number 2. Question number 2 is given here a jack. So how many jack is there in these cards? So there are 1 spade jack, 1 clubs, 1 heart, and 1 diamond. So each and every type of card there are present 1 jack. So there are total 4 jacks. Okay. So right here let E2 be the event for getting a jack. Then write there are 4 jack in the 52 cards. So number of favorable outcome outcome is equal to 4. So probability of E2 is equal to number of favorable outcome come by number of total outcome is equal to 4 by 52. It can be cancelled out by 2. There is 2 and there is 2 to the 4, 6 to the 12. 2 by 20, and this is again cancelled out by 2. There is 1 by 13. So 1 by 13 be the answer. Hence the required probability is the required probability is 1 by 13. So this is our answer. So in this way you can solve left of the problem in question number 29. Thank you everyone.